track in more challenging environments with the rugged outdoor GPS watch built for taking on the world. Find out how to use the basic navigation features on your Instinct. Press and hold the GPS button to acquire GPS satellites on your watch and see your coordinates. Press the GPS button again to save your location so you can navigate back to it later. To navigate a course or pre-planned route, a previously recorded activity, or back to one of your saved locations, select Navigate from the Activities list. Scroll down to Saved Locations and select Go To. And Instinct will guide you to your destination. Scroll down to see how far you are from your destination, your estimated time left to travel, estimated time of arrival, and more. While recording an activity, you can use Instinct to navigate back to your starting location. For example, start a hike activity from the Activities list. When you're ready to head back, select Navigation from the main menu. Then Back to Start. Choose Track Back to retrace your path back the way you came. Or select Straight Line to take the most direct route back. Check out the other videos in this series to learn more about using Instinct. Thanks for watching.